Sneekylinux back again tonight. Yeah, back again. Dodgy throat. God, I'm dying. Never mind. Anyway, tonight we're back with Austrumi 245, I think it is, or 246, something like that. Anyway, the latest one I could find on their website. Okay, the latest one, well, not on their website, on their repository where they get all the ISOs from. And it's just coming along nicely. Now, you can install it, and I managed to install it the other day after about a year and a half of trying. It actually works now, but I did have to use an external partitioner to partition the disk for me, and then it worked. So, wobbly doodly doodah. Nice. So, any of you who've not seen Austrumi, it's from Latvia, it's a Latvian distribution. Bit of slacky going on, bit of slackware, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's what you do. So, over here we have Determinal, Explorer to explore your file systems, your text editor, which is, I think, could be Genie. And yes, it is. Genie is there. Your browser of choice in Austrumi. Bear in mind, it does run really good from a live CD and installed, so, you know, don't worry about it. It's C-Monkey. Yes, C-Monkey. Monkey of the C. Monkey. Oh yeah, very nice. So, there's no little search thing there though, is there? No. So I'm going to just type one in. So if we backspace there, I'm being really lazy. I'm going to just go to Google straight away. Did a few more fonts here for me though. Yeah, a couple more fonts just to get it right. So BBC, homepage. Nice. Comes up all right, doesn't it? Yeah. Nice. Does what it says on the tin. Right. iPlayer. Does it have Flash built in? Now I watched this tonight. Lorraine's Last Minute's Christmas. Nice lady she is. Nice lady. I'm done. Yeah. Thank you. Oh yes, and it works. So I'm actually going to get rid of that. So Flash is pre-installed for you on the live CD, which is why it's not just 100 megabytes. It's about 200 odd, I think it is. Which ain't too bad really. Boots up really quick, so no big deal. Skype is standard. The multimedia, you get M-Player for doing your M-Player stuff. And so I've got movies to play in it, so no big deal. For Office, let's have a look. We get LibreOffice as standard. So you get a full Office suite. No problem at all. Oh, yes. I know some of them used to get Abbey Word and G-Numeric, but they want to be a bit different here. They're using the full LibreOffice suite. It's on the disc. Oh, yes, indeed. On the disc. Nice. Accessories. Won't go there now. A search. Surfaces. So little butchers, which is H-top. And as you can see, I'm only using a 79 meg of my RAM. That's pretty good, isn't it? And it's not doing nothing on the CPU. Oh, I know I've got two CPUs, alright? And they're rated at 2 gig. Yeah, right. Or was it 2.2? I forgot now. But it's actually not doing anything at all, so that's pretty cool. Alright. Got your network settings, your desktop, Xkill to kill stuff. Kill. Yeah, I love it. Okay, that's Conky out the way and all your stuff over there and your favourites bar. Up here you can see you've got my CPU usage up there, my can I not speak today? My memory stuff, how long I've been on, etc. So if I left click the desktop, we get games. There's a few games here. No big dealers, but keep you occupied, doesn't it? Under development we get Genie, a virtual PC and remaster Austrumi. I like it. Multimedia. You get audio mixer, CD and DVD burning, or DVD burning, M-Play and sweep. You get some radio stations, but bearing in mind it's from Latvia, you're going to get some Latvian stuff. Or they don't like to be called Eastern Europeans now, they like to be called Central Europeans, okay? So we're going to call them the Central Europeans. That's good for me, I can do that, no big deal. Browse your video stuff, you've got your videos, and browse your own music, okay? Under graphics, we get a document viewer. We also get Gimpy and Inkscape, yeah, we do. Look, nice and quick. Lovely. Super duper. So anyway, then to settings. Auto login, if you want auto login. Network manager, services and daemons, and system information. That's alright. System tools. Conky, of course. Gparted. Nice. Actually, that's how I actually partitioned this using Gparted before I went into the installation thing. So down here you see install to HDD, that's hard disk drive, or install to USB. Installing to USB is really easy. It's worked every time for me personally. Yeah, no, it really is. No, it has, yeah. Now it uses the GSLAP package manager. So if I open him up and we'll have a little butchers, and we'll update it, and it will retrieve some stuff for us. And while it's doing that, I'm going to have a bit of a drinkage. Still got some of that mulled apple. Well, it's Christmas, isn't it? Right. Should I have done this? I don't know. I could be waiting here some time, couldn't I? So I'll go to a different desktop while that's doing that. As you can see, still not doing that really, not doing nothing at all. That's okay for me. So I'll left click the desktop again. Right under Internet, you get Chatzilla, Composer, Linphone. We don't actually need Linphone if you've got Skype, but maybe you want to use it. That's good for me and you. SeaMonkey, Skype, Transmission, and a chat client. And Office, we already know what's there. LibreOffice. So yes, and under Accessories, we have Calculator, Partition Image, Search and Replace, a dictionary, and some other stuff. Oh, Xpad's there as well. So that's alright, isn't it? So, anyway, if you right click the desktop, you get Windows, and Cascade, Tile, Expose, different themes you can have. It's complicated, and yeah, well, you know what I'm saying. Your resolution comes presets, and you put a disc in, so that's no big deal. Change your wallpaper, right. We can have this one, which I've just chosen, or use a random one. So I'm going to change to a random one, just for now, and it'll go all orange. Yeah, look, orangey, tangerine sort of colour. There you go. Super. You can set your hotkeys and stuff like that. Okay, let's go back to other window. All done. Now, being G-slapped, you'll have plenty in here. So, I could scroll down and just try and find one for you, but I'm not going to do that, okay? No, I'm not going to do that. But I will search for, should we try search for Chromium? Okay. Did I spell that right? Looks good to me. There it is, Chromium. Is that the game, or is that, no, it's actually the browser. Remember, there's a game called Chromium as well. So, shall I install that? We're going to give that a go while we're here. Install, good for me. Execute. Yeah. 150 megabytes of extra space. Bloody hell. Yeah, that's right. So we'll download that. It shouldn't take too long. Once it's installed, and we'll make sure it all works. Normally I'll just show you the outside of Austrumi, but I thought we'll just do a bit of installing and show you some bits and bobs to use it. It is really, really nice to use. I mean, I don't see why more people don't use it, even if it's just from a USB key. Yeah, no, even just from a USB key. I first found it many moons ago, about about 3 years ago. I first found it. I think it was that, and it looked basically the same as it does now. But every release they get, it gets better and better and better and more stable, which is what you really want, don't you think? Well, I do anyway. Yeah, well, but that's just me. So while that's doing stuff, I'm going to open another window. Right, the browser. I've done that already, haven't I? Oh yeah. I was going to say, really, well, it's not a lot really. We can open a game mode if you want to. No, I'll tell you what, we'll go to graphics. We'll see if Gimpy opens up. Remember, we're doing several things now, and it's coping very, very, very well. And as you can see, my memory's going down a bit now. Ooh, I've not enabled any swap, idiot that I am. Should have done that, should I? Really, no. Always enable your swap. But as you can see, Gimpy comes up, rather nice. Not too happy about the colours, but hey, no big deal really, is it? So anyway, go away, Gimpy. I'm going to go back to our manager here, and we're getting there slowly and surely. Not long to go now. Almost done that. Oh, it's taking a bit more time. Getting there. We're getting there. Getting there. Anyway, we're going to make sure Chromium works, and I want more of you to use Austrumi. Give them a bit of a go, you know, give it a go. If you've got a decent DSL connection, or ADSL, or whatever connection you've got, it's going to take like just a couple of minutes to download. Just use it as a live CD, give it a play with. Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt. Okay. Oh, what you will need to do, right? Because when you put it in, the language will be Latvian. So what we need to do, if I can find it correctly, if we go to System Tools, our settings, languages. Now, if you think 1, 2, 3, 4, look for the flag, that will bring up languages. As you can see, I've got English here now. You get Spanish, French, Hungarian, Italian, Latvian, don't know what that is, Brazilian, Polish, I think that is. Yeah, it could be good. I'm not multilingual, really, no. But anyway, that's enough of that. I'm going to go back to see how Chromium is installing. I ain't doing too bad, really. So while it's doing a bit more, I'm going to have a drinkage. Ooh. Oh, by the way, apparently I've done more than 500 videos now. I actually wasn't keeping count. Bearing in mind I've been on YouTube about 3.5 years, something like that. And I was doing videos before that on different channels and different places. So I've been doing this for around nearly 5 years now. Yeah, I've got better slowly. really bleeding slowly, yeah. Really slowly. But yeah, funds and stuff like that. Got a reasonable microphone now, and a reasonable camera, and a reasonable video camera. So I can actually do most things now, yeah. I'm just talking to do the talky thing now, so I'm waiting for it to install, look. But as you can see, it's not doing much up there, so I can put up services again while we're here. You can see, it's actually still not using much of my RAM, is it? I'm using 99 meg installing this. I'm happy with that. I can live with that, can you? Oh yes. So yeah, it works really well on single core and multi-core machines. Yes, it does. Anyway, what do you lot do at Christmas? I mean, I'm in the UK. We're not going to parents or anything this year. We're staying at home, doing the home thing, yeah. And we are going to have turkey this year for a change, so I must get it out tomorrow. Do a bit of cooking, because I do all the cooking in the house. Everybody knows that. Yeah, do all the cooking. It's a man's job, really, and when you think about it. Oh, yeah, really. Give the women a bit of a rest. Although I do it all the time, if you know what I'm saying. Of course you do. Right, in theory, that should be now done. And it is. So successfully execute all actions. So we should be able to close that down. Right click and go to internet somewhere. Down there. Right, Chromium is there. Shall we see if it comes up? Chromium cannot be run as root. Right. Never had that before. So yeah, a bit of that. So create a different account for yourself next time you install Austrumi. Otherwise you won't be able to run Chromium. Bit of a bum really, wouldn't it? But on the whole, I really do like Austrumi, and I encourage you to go and download it and use it. Oh yeah. Out of 100, for a distro this size, got to be at least 91%. Sneaky Linux out. I'll see you later. Bye bye.